Meaning of diastolic.
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 Diastolic. Diastolic refers to the measurement of blood pressure during the resting phase of the heart's beating cycle, when the heart is filling with blood. It is the second number in a blood pressure reading, and is represented by the bottom number. A normal diastolic blood pressure reading is typically considered to be below 80 mm of mercury, while a reading higher than 90 mm of mercury may indicate hypertension, or high blood pressure. High diastolic blood pressure can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and other health issues. It is important to monitor and regulate blood pressure for optimal health.